Okay, so I think this is the one about her practicing so many hours or something. Yeah, so this is question 25. So she's gonna practice a total of 48 hours over a 3-week period. In the first week, she does 4 days, 2 3/4 hours each day. So we're going to multiply because each day means multiply. So 4 times 2 3/4, which is 4 times, change that to an improper. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 over 4. So these are going to cancel to 1 because 4 will divide into both of them. So the first week she practiced 11 hours. So there's week 1. And then week 2 she practiced 16 3/5 hours. And then week 3 she practiced, we don't know, but let's figure out how much she's practiced so far. 27 3/5. So if she has a total of 48 hours and she's already used 27 3/5, let's figure out how many is left for week 3. So you're going to borrow 1 whole and put it here. 5 over 5 would be 1 whole. So you would get 20 2/5 hours for week 3. And you can always check it if you add week 3, week 2, and week 1 up. If we were to add them real quick, let's just do that. You would get 5 over 5, 36, 47, and 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is 1, and 47 plus 1 would make 48 total hours. So we can check it. Alright, now I'm trying to figure out how to write neater on this tablet. This is the first time I've done this. So the next one is the bike one, number 38. So basically she's riding her bike and we want to know her average speed in miles per hour. So you'll have to calculate the total miles, which we already know in the problem is 5, and divide it by, oh shoot, sorry, put my hand down and I'm messing it up. So divide by the number of hours. So let's figure out how many hours she rode. She did half an hour on one day, or she did half an hour and took a break and then did 1/4 more. So we have to add those up. So change it, get a common denominator of 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. So you get 3/4 of an hour. So you're going to do 5 miles divided by 3/4 hours. So let's come down here and do 5 miles. I don't need that. Let's just do 5 divided by 3/4. So keep 5, change it to multiplication and flip, and you get 20 over 3. 3 will go into 20 6 times. If you need to, go to the side and do your remainder. 6 2/3 miles per hour. So anytime you need to calculate rate of speed, Figure out how many miles, total miles, and divide by the total number of hours. Okay, let's see. I think this is the last one that I have. So Canna, or however you say that name, they put some weird names on here. Kana, she did 13 laps, and it took her 30.14 seconds. So she did 13 laps, and it took her 30.14 seconds for each lap that she did. I think this is question 39. And then Doria, stupid names. She did 14 laps, and each lap took her 22.25. So she's either really fast or the other one's really slow. So it's saying it's going to take Kana longer to swim it than it is for Doria to swim 14 laps. How much longer? So we got to figure out the total number of time. So this is seconds. So if each lap was 30.14 seconds, you have to multiply. Each is the key word, or per is the key word. So when you multiply that, and I don't know if you'll have a calculator or not, but let me find my calculator on my phone. 13 times 30.14 would be, it's going to take her 391 and 82 seconds. And then the second one is going to take 311.5 seconds. So how much longer does it take Kana? So what Kana? I don't know why they can't use Sally and Jim.
Can I have the tablet back?
Yeah. Is your room clean? So you're going to subtract. And it took her, him, or whatever, it 80.32 seconds longer.